In this video, I will be telling you guys how you guys can see layers on the Canva. So for that, the process is very simple and easy. So first thing first, you have to access the canva.com. For that, I will be providing you the link for the Canva that will be in the description right underneath this video. Just hit it up and you will be redirected to the canva.com. So what's next? All once you are on a board where you have some of the uh, image or something like that on the board, you have to go to that thing. So first, let me tell you that you cannot change the layers of a text which is as a title, but you can change the layers of a subtitle. For example, just right click on the subtitle and you will see different layers. Just click on the layers and you will see there is send backward, forward, or there is a whole bunch of layers option at the end. You can simply change the formation of the layers from here. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye.